Ja, als ik nou zeg dat ik hem voor 150 direct meeneem.
Sorry, vind ik niet.
Nee?
Deze. Ja, no. This one 35.
€7 zo.
Maar zo speciaal is dat model ook niet. Het is wel
Ik weet niet. Ja, ik weet niet.
Nee, kijk eens wat hier ligt.
Ik had dat vragen.
Ik denk dat hij hierin zit.
Misschien ligt hij er nu. Misschien hebben ze een buiten.
Ja.
Als je er wel kijkt, dan weet dat vreemd wil ik niet kopen.
Wat doe je zo om te kijken naar?
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This time we have a huge model unboxing. Today we have not one, not two, not three, but 6 new model aircraft. And these were all gotten from the Amsterdam Collectors Aviation Fair. And yeah, I got some insane bargains, which for this amount of money would probably only get me 3 or 4 plus shipping in terms of models. Like one of these, it's pretty big. I don't have it in my collection yet, so I'm really happy with that. So let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, I have got a lot of different airlines. I'm trying to focus my collection more onto American and maybe European airlines as well. But so technically, you know, I'm open for everything. But so I have 1, 2 American airlines, 3 European, and 1 Asian. So let's start with the Asian. This is a Batik Air Boeing 737-800 from Phoenix, which I got for €20, which is incredible. So here's the box. Here's obviously the price. Can't believe I got it for this price. The condition? Let's find out. Here we have it. All of the models I have are either Phoenix or NG. I don't usually collect a lot of NG, mostly because they're quite expensive. So yeah. Oh jeez, that's a nice start. Here you have the Batik Air 737. Maybe I should turn on flash for this. Maybe. Alright. absolute beauty. I love the livery. It's so nice. There's the registration, so let's put it down on the box. Let's go through it. So, obviously, beautiful model. You have pretty much all the details. You have the aerials, you have, yeah, every decals on the engine, you have the registration, all the small little details, which is really nice. I don't see major faults. The wheels roll. I don't see any faults at all, which is really good. So, with that, let's head into another one. Okay, so that is number 1. Now, let's go on to another one. This time, we're moving on to the American section. So, in this, we have 2 special liveries. Let's start with the first one, with the cheaper one. We have an NG Models Southwest Boeing 737-700. And this is in the Maryland 1 livery. And, yep, there's a registration. Very nice. I don't think I have a lot of NG models at all, so I'm really excited to see this. I got this for €27.50, I think. So, yeah, let's open her up. Such a beautiful livery. Like, Southwest has a lot. I think they have like a California one, they've got loads. And also that Batik Air didn't come with this sort of paper. I don't know whether that affects the price or not, but yeah. Anyways. Absolute stunner. There it is. Everything, the aerials, rolling wheels, the Maryland details there, the tail, landing gear, everything. Just a beautiful plane. Oh, jeez, my voice. Yeah, so with that, let's move on to the next one. So we'll place that one here. We will try not to mix up the boxes. The next one is another American airline, obviously. For €37.50, we have my first United aircraft. This is a United Boeing 737-800. Luckily, oh, that's blue tack, or shall I say white tack. That's nice. Luckily, it's not tape, because that would have damaged the box. And speaking of the box, this is a beautiful box. I think we all agree. And the Maryland one. NG makes some insane boxes. So this is in the Star Wars livery. There was another Star Wars livery next to this for sale. I think it was Alaska. I'm not too sure. So without further ado, let's get into it. Wow. There's a protective covering. And oh my. Is this a plane and a half? Why don't we put this one and the Southwest together and we can have a closer look. I also did forget to mention that these NGs came with a collector's card, which is pretty nice. So here we have it. Here we have the Southwest aircraft. Insane, beautiful, and just wow. The United is awesome, but to be quite honest, all those white dots do kind of look like someone just splashed a bunch of paint. But overall, NG did a fantastic job on these two models. You can see every single detail. Like, I wonder if the amount of white droplets on this model correlate exactly to the amount that's on the real thing. I don't know if United still has this livery. I wouldn't assume so. So yeah, everything is there. There's literally nothing much to complain about, I think. Yeah. Awesome. Now let's move on to our Europeans. We have 3 aircraft here, and yeah, let's go straight into it. Well, firstly, we have this. Yes, I accidentally did it. I bought 4 737s by accident. I was meant to get an A320, One World Qatar, but well, this happened. Well, actually, I was gonna get into the Batik Air, but honestly, I'm not complaining. These are some beautiful models. So here we have it. What's really interesting is you have this 737 MAX in the Polish Independence livery, and on the other hand, you have the normal one. but I'm pretty sure there's no tick here and there's a tick here. So I think we can expect a special livery, which will go awesome because I have the 787 also from Phoenix in the Independence livery. So let's see. And here she is. What an absolute beauty. All right, let's take her out and let's have a look. No protective. I don't know if that's Phoenix, but this is just stunning. Rolling wheels, everything, aerials. Every decal is here. This is probably stunning. Let me get my 787 and we'll put it together. Here they are. And can I just say, this is a sight to behold. Absolutely beautiful. The Dreamliner and the Max 8. I am so convinced that landing gear is not meant to be like that. But it's like straight, it's connected to that. I'm not entirely sure what the story is with that. But anyways, we're here for the Max 8. And this Max 8 is stunning. I love it. Every single detail is here. I'm so happy with this. Stepping away from the 737s, I have this. A KLM Boeing 767-300ER. I got this because I thought, since I'm in the Netherlands, I might as well get a Netherlands plane. So this one is a Phoenix. And also, I forgot to say, just to clarify, these are all in the 1 to 400 scale as well. So let's open our first heavy. And yes, there is one more heavy. Hint, hint, it's not a Boeing. Here we have it. Let's open her up. A lot of protectiveness here. Yeah, we'll get this. Put her like this. Here we go. This is indeed another beautiful model. You can see the registration there, PHBZM. You see all the details. Sky Team logo. Air France KLM, I think. Nope, never mind, that's just the name. You see everything here, and it is a beautiful model. I don't know how long they retired these, probably when they got their Dreamliners in. But yeah, what a beautiful aircraft. Let's move on to the final aircraft, the best of them all. Well, you guys let me know in the comments which one's the best one. Also, I forgot to mention the price of these. This one was 35 euros, and this one, I can't remember, but it was like 30 something euro, maybe 35-ish. But yeah. This next one is so big, I've had to rearrange the planes. So, without further ado, if you haven't guessed by now, the first in my collection, an Airbus A380 from British Airways. Wow. 47 euros is such a steal. Like, to find one at this price is one thing, but like, crazy. These would probably go for at least 50. Maybe even, probably, actually no, probably like 55 or 60 even. And add shipping onto that, you're talking 70 euros. Such a steal. What a beautiful aircraft. I'm wondering what model maker this is from. If I had to guess, it's clearly not Gemini Jets. It's either Phoenix or NG probably, but I'm probably gonna put my money on Phoenix. But anyways, let's open her up. Oh my word. I am shocked. Where do I start? This is heavy as well. The biggest model plane I have in my collection is a 747 from Polar. It's the interactive stuff. Enough of that. Okay. this is not that difficult. Okay, well, sorry about the care. But, yeah. Protectiveness. Let's get her out. I haven't held something this beautiful in years. I don't even know where to start. This is insane. From what I can see, there's like no flaws. The aerials are there. Every door is there. Cargo door, the registration, Golf X-ray Lima Echo Echo. Just such a beautiful plane. And it's so heavy as well, so you have to be careful with this one. Just look at the landing gear. Look how many. All of these tilt. This is like a recipe for disaster. Okay, I'm just gonna leave her here because I don't want to damage any further. Oh, I don't know if you notice. No shot. Look at engine number 2. This is not happening. This is not happening. What is that? What is this? Well, if I find like a replacement part on like eBay for like €2, I think I'll be fine. That is such a disappointment. That is actually so sad. And on that bombshell, as a wise man once said, thank you very much for watching. And I will see you guys probably not in the next model review, because this 4767, never mind. 94, that would have been 37 probably. 120 something, 150, 180. So add all the cents and stuff, we're looking at almost 200. This is such a buzzkill. No, there's nothing in the box either, like. And of course, nobody said anything. So, yep, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.